Before we explore traditional investment strategies, let's talk about the most crucial investment Investing in yourself can yield incredible returns, not only financially, but also in your personal and professional growth. Lifelong learning. One of the most accessible ways to invest in yourself is through lifelong learning. Whether it's online courses, workshops, or good old-fashioned books, continuously expanding your knowledge opens up new opportunities. Next up is skill acquisition. Identify skills that align with your passions or career goals. Whether it's coding, learning a new language, or mastering a musical instrument, acquiring valuable skills can enhance your marketability and income potential. Health and well-being. Remember, wealth isn't just about money, it's about well-being. Prioritize your health. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and mindfulness practices contribute to a healthy body and mind, empowering you to perform at your best. Networking and relationships. Building meaningful connections is another form of self-investment. Attend networking events, engage with your community, and foster relationships. You never know when a connection might open doors to new opportunities. For those with an entrepreneurial spirit, consider investing time and resources in a side hustle or small business. Entrepreneurial ventures not only diversify your income, but also provide valuable experience. Financial literacy. Of course, financial literacy is key. Educate yourself on budgeting, investing, and strategic financial planning. This knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions and take control of your financial future. So there you have it, investing in yourself, an often overlooked but incredibly powerful wealth-building strategy. Remember, you are your most valuable asset. Hit that like button, subscribe for more content,